Namaste. On behalf of Chief Electoral Officer Delhi, we are organizing one online quiz program on the occasion of National Voters Day. The registration for the online quiz program starts from 6th of January and it will be available till 19th of January. Online quiz program will be conducted from 21st January to 23rd January. The winners of the online quiz program will be given cash prize of 10,000, 7,000 and 5,000. The winner will be selected for each district. There are 33 cash prizes available and all the participants will get participant certificate. The awards will be given during the celebration of National Voters Day, which is scheduled on 25th January. I request all the registered electors and the students of class 9th onwards to participate in large number. The further details are available in CEO website. Thank you.